7 reasons why you should start this super simple habit of drinking okra water in the morning. As a kid, I hated okra when mom put it in gumbo. It was slimy and looked like snot. Now I am grown and know more about this valuable vegetable. I now serve it to my own kids in gumbo, but taking out the slime. Okra is an exotic variety, as the okra plant is indigenous to the American Southeast. In the early 1900s, okra became the national flower of South Carolina. Today, the plant is grown commercially for its oil. The oil is reputed to be one of the richest sources of vitamin E, and it also relieves many digestive problems, including constipation and indigestion. Many athletes take it to improve their performance. Let's discuss each of the 7 benefits of drinking okra water in the morning. Number 1. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: lose weight faster. It is the simplest habit you can have to lose weight faster. Okra contains an oil that is good for slimming your waist and thighs. The slimy substance that you see in okra combines with bile acids and cholesterol. These items help in flushing out the toxins from the body. You can also reduce your cholesterol levels with okra water, and this method is also used in many weight loss programs. Also, when you consume okra in the morning, it makes you feel full, and it will keep you from overeating all day long. Number 2. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: contains omega-3 fatty acids and packed with fiber. Okra is the least talked about of the exotic vegetables. You may not be aware that okra is one of the more nutritious vegetables in the world. Okra contains all of the essential amino acids and vitamins. It is one of the few vegetables known to possess omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 acids are known to be necessary to a human diet. Omega-3 acids reduce the risk of cancer. The oil that you swallow in the morning is packed with fiber. It helps to clean the intestines and also prevents the absorption of fat in the body. Number 3. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: helps you to be healthy and sexy. It will make you healthier. Okra contains more antioxidants than any other vegetable. It is also one of the few vegetables with all of the vitamins and minerals that will help you be healthier. These vitamins and minerals are essential because they will also help you to be more healthy. Okra is another reputed vegetable of love. Rich in magnesium, it's a natural relaxant. It's also full of iron, folate, zinc, and vitamin B, all nutrients that keep your sex organs healthy and happy. Number 4. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: helps you to be more healthy and fuller. Drinking okra in the morning will teach you a fundamental rule. In addition to drinking okra in the morning, you should always drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. But, the okra water should be drank on an empty stomach, or it will not be absorbed as it should, and it will end up in your brain as bad fat. The brain is 60% fat. The intake of bad fat can lead to a breakdown of brain cell, reducing the efficiency of processing information. The okra water will make you feel fuller faster and prevent your stomach from getting bloated. This is an essential tip. You will not believe how helpful it will be to you. Number 5. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: gives you more energy. Okra water is also known to make you have more energy. More energy is one of the significant benefits that okra water has to offer. More power is possible because okra water contains the antioxidants that the okra had to go through when you swallowed it. The antioxidants help to increase the speed that it is transported to your brain. The antioxidants also help to make the brain have more energy and will make you gain power faster. I hope you understand that this is the same thing as having more energy. Number 6. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: helps you to stay regular. Drinking okra water is also one of the healthy ways to ensure that you are getting your vitamins and minerals. The best thing is okra's vitamins goes immediately to the stomach and remains within your body for an extended period. This method helps to keep you regular. Thus, you will not need to take your vitamins twice a day. Number 7. Benefit of drinking okra water in the morning: controls different types of diabetes. In fact, okra is a common Ayurvedic food that is being used to help lower blood sugar levels and control different types of diabetes. Some people with diabetes reported that drinking okra water in the morning on an empty stomach helps improve blood sugar control. There are many other benefits that you can get from the okra water in the morning that I did not tell you. I will tell you that okra water will help prevent you from having a heart attack. Fewer heart attacks are possible because okra contains substances that are good for the heart. And also, drinking okra water in the morning will help you to improve your memory. Your memory is improved because taking vitamin pills tends to make you lose your memory. Drinking okra water in the morning can make several other benefits to your body and also to your health. The recipe for okra water that will give you the best benefit is as follows. 1. Wash and cut the tops and tails off of 4 to 5 okra pods. 2. Place in a sterile pint mason jar. 3. Cover with water. 4. Allow to sit overnight. 5. Remove okra pods and strain liquid to remove any seeds. It is very important to remember to drink fresh okra water in the morning. It should be made daily the night before. In this video we discussed the 7 benefits of drinking okra water in the morning. Starting with Number 1. Lose weight faster. Number 2. Contains omega-3 fatty acids and packed with fiber. Number 3. Helps you to be healthy and sexy. Number 4. Helps you to be more healthy and fuller. Number 5. Gives you more energy. Number 6. Helps you to stay regular. Number 7. Controls different types of diabetes. In another video I will discuss more about okra and its value and the removal of the slime.